Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of creating a vintage 90s bootleg wrap t-shirt design in Photoshop. This is the same method I use for my client projects, and it works great for artists, rappers, concerts, merch drops, or custom shirts. We're going to cover everything from setting up the canvas, cutting out images, adding glow effects, retro text, and finishing with vintage color grading. So let's get started. Alright, let's start by setting up the document. Go to File New and use the following settings. Width, 4,500 pixels. Height, 5,400 pixels. Resolution, 300 dpi. Color mode, RGB. This is the perfect setup for print-on-demand sites like TeePublic, Redbubble, or Merch by Amazon. Once your blank canvas is ready, I like to fill the background with black. It gives us that classic concert poster feel right from the start. Next, drag your main artist photos into Photoshop. You can use any 90s rapper or even a custom client photo. Just make sure it has good lighting and clear contrast. Use the quick selection tool or select subject to cut out your artist. If the background doesn't come off cleanly, go into Select and Mask and smooth out the edges a bit. Then press Ctrl+J to copy your selection onto a new layer. Repeat this for all the images you want in your collage. Most bootleg designs include 2 or 3 artist images, one large in the center, and smaller ones on the sides or background. In this video, you'll see the full time-lapse of how I build my signature 90s bootleg style, from photo cutouts to glow effects to dramatic typography. Everything here is made from scratch using my workflow for client projects. What I love about 90s bootleg wrap design is that there are no rules. It's loud, dramatic, colorful, and full of personality. You can mix different images, add flares, sparkles, neon highlights, and it still feels authentic. This style lets me be creative and bring old-school hip-hop culture back to life in a fresh way. Now it's time for the most important part, the typography. Bootleg wrap shirts are famous for their bold text. Pick a strong font like Impact, Varsity, Old English, or College. Type in your artist's name or title, for example, Machiavelli Resurrection or Thug Angel. Open layer styles by double-clicking the text layer. Then apply. Gradient, overlay, metallic, or neon colors work best. Stroke 3 to 5 pixels in white or black. Outer glow for that shining effect. Drop shadow to separate it from the background. Experiment with blending modes like overlay or color dodge to get a more vintage print look. And don't forget to add smaller secondary text below. Maybe the year, album name, or city. That completes the classic bootleg layout. When your layout looks good, let's unify the colors. Go to Layer, New Adjustment, Layer Color Lookup. Try presets like Crisp Warm, Fujifilm, or Kodak 2395. It gives that cinematic, slightly faded tone like an old t-shirt print. Then add a brightness/contrast adjustment and fine-tune the look. If you want that printed vintage texture, overlay a subtle fabric texture on top with Multiply Blend Mode at low opacity. Now that everything's complete, let's export. Go to File, Export as PNG, and make sure you check Transparent Background. This format is perfect for t-shirt printing. And always save a backup PSD file. You'll thank yourself later. And here's the final result. Let me know in the comments what you think, and which rapper or artist you want me to design next. And that's how you create a 90s bootleg rap t-shirt design in Photoshop from scratch. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more design tips, and comment which rapper or artist you want me to design next. Thanks for watching. This is Polash, signing off. See you in the next one.